Hi. So in my last video, you saw how amazing the catalog feature is of WhatsApp. So I made some good improvements on top of it. So let me show you what I did. This is just a quick demo. I have added multiple products now. So Superman, Harry Potter, Mickey Mouse, and so forth. These are just dummy products just to showcase how the product feature works on WhatsApp. Let's just say I want to add Superman to my cart. I'll click on view cart and I was like, okay, everything is good. One or more items, it says $0. Okay, view cart, $0, place order, and you will see I'll get an instant message. Thank you for supporting a local business with the purchase of your product, Superman quantity 1. Someone from our team will follow up on the above order with you via a call. This is instant, very quick. Small businesses will get huge support from this. Okay, let's say if I want to add one more product, I'll go and I'll say add Harry Potter. I'll just say view cart and it says $0. I'll say place order, and in the execution I'll show you how it works. So if you see, this is the path it took, and this is what the message is. It says Harry Potter, so it dynamically changes according to the product. Quickly show you how I did it. And since we are here already, you might be wondering why I have added this message, one more filter in front of a filter. So what usually happens is when you are sending a WhatsApp message, there are two types of messages which are getting logged inside WhatsApp server. One is the message, like the general message you are sending out, and the other one is the status message, which is a hidden log message. It says statuses and it says delivered or not delivered. So let me show you what I mean. So the main difference between this one, it says status over here, and on this one it says messages, right? So what I have done is whenever we see a message called as status, it will remove it from the flow so that it doesn't throw any error messages. Okay, going back, let me show you how I configured it. Now with this WhatsApp trigger, whenever there is a message that comes in, I have pinned the data. Now this will go under the false because it is a message which contains an order. Okay, it will check if the order contains, and it will go into this filter and it will say if this message contains the word ordered, right? And if you check, if I run this thing, yeah, it contains. If you see the word order right here, then go to customer onboarded. There are only three key factors which you need to focus on. The first one is what is the product which is being mentioned. Second is what is the quantity of that specific product which is mentioned. Third, and the most important part, what I have done is compared all the product ID with its relevant name of the product, so that for the front end customer, the product remains the product name. For the product ID, it's for the back end thing. So if you're wondering where is this product ID coming from, so if you go back to your commerce manager and see, you see this content ID, these are all the content IDs, and these content IDs mean the product IDs. You can fetch each and individual product based on that. Going back to N10, so what I have done, these are the product ID which is mentioned inside the message, the quantity is also mentioned inside the message, and this is the product mapping reference. Once it's fetched all the information, my output format requirement is this. Always respond in this exact format. Thank you for supporting the local business with the purchase of product name and quantity. Someone from our team will always follow up with you about the order. If you see on the right hand side, you see over here it says the same thing as per the message. Now once I run this thing, so it has successfully executed. It says thank you for supporting the local business in the purchase of product name Superman. Okay, now all you have to do is you have to connect the respond with text node with the customer onboarded agent. So all we are doing is we are referring the output of the customer onboarded with the text body. So it goes to json.output, and we refer this and that, and then let me show you how it works. So assuming it's a Superman order we placed over here, and if I run this thing, it should come up any minute. Okay, it says thank you for supporting local business. We mentioned in the customer onboarded agent that we want the message to be like this. I hope you found good value out of it, and if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.